Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are couponing online today for Walgreens. There's a lot of different deals that you can do either in store or online. So if you're feeling lazy this week, if you don't have time to go in store and do all the deals, definitely watch this video because there's quite a few amazing deals. Plus we have two really good codes that you can use online depending on how big of an order you're going to be placing. So I'm going to go over all the details with you guys in this video. If you are new here, take a quick second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the channel, and it's completely free to subscribe. So let's dive into the video. Of course, the first place we're going to start is Rakuten. So whether you're new or an existing user, everybody should be using Rakuten. As you can see here, you're going to get 2% cash back on Rakuten. So all you have to do is search for Rakuten or search on Rakuten for Walgreens. Mine's in favorites and visited because I'm always using it when I'm doing online deals for Walgreens. Why not? You literally click 3 buttons and you're gonna be able to earn some cash back. And that's all part of the stacking strategy that I'm always trying to teach you guys. So when you click on Walgreens, it'll transfer you over to the regular Walgreens website. You're gonna log into any Walgreens account that you want. Doesn't matter, it does not have to match Rakuten. Shows here the 2% is activated, so we're good to go. Now here is option number 1 of how you can score $45 worth of products for less than $10 as your net cost. Then I'm gonna go over another scenario that winds up being free and a nice moneymaker, and we're gonna be getting even more products. So let's head over to my cart. I already have the first example already loaded in my cart for you guys. There's so many really good high value digital coupons this week. So first, let's start with the Axe. You can either get the Axe deodorant or the body sprays. They're buy one, get one half off, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupons. You're gonna wanna make sure you clip that and send it to your card. The next deal that is a really great stock up price, I personally love Dawn. We're grabbing some Dawn dish soap. This is the 18 ounce on sale for $2.99 each. Grab 2 of them because as you can see, we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon and the code works as well. So the 2 codes available you see up here, 15% off of $20 plus, use code PICKUP15, or $20 or 20% off of $40 plus, use code PICKUP20. So the first example, we're using code PICKUP15, so you're saving another 15% on top of that. That's a really good deal for Dawn dish soap. We don't typically see that many amazing deals on it, so when we do, we definitely want to grab it. This next deal you can do in store or online. Online, you're gonna get back $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. If you do the deal in store, you'll get back a $3 register reward, so it's just whatever you prefer. But digital coupons are a one-time use. You have to pick, am I gonna do it online or am I gonna do it in store? If you do it online, you're stacking the Rakuten 2% cash back on top of it, so it makes it a little bit sweeter than doing it in store, so just keep that in mind. So there's an 8 off 2 digital, there's $7 each, and we're earning back $3 in Walgreens cash. This is an amazing deal to stock up on Dove body wash. So any 2, doesn't matter what scent, go ahead and add those to your cart. Now we're doing the Colgate deal. This is the same thing. You can do it in store or you can do it online. Online, they're buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. In store, they're buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So you're gonna grab one of the toothbrushes, that's $4 on sale. There's a $2 off 1 digital coupon, so you're gonna clip that. And the other product you're gonna grab is a Colgate toothpaste that's also on sale for $4. Part of the same promotion, you can see the Walgreens cash offer right here, and there's a $2 digital coupon, so clip that one as well. Those wind up being completely free. Free online or free in store, we absolutely love that. Definitely add that to your cart regardless of what order you're doing because it helps you get more free products, like why not? And you earn 1% back in Walgreens cash. The last deal that I just personally thought was a good deal is on the 90 ounce Snuggle fabric softener. They're on sale for $7.99. There's a $2 digital coupon and the code PICKUP15 works on this as well. So you're gonna enter in code PICKUP15 right here. That'll save you another $2.88. So here's the breakdown. We're at $47 worth of products. After all the discounts and promo codes come off, you'll pay $24.90 out of pocket. Now, you don't want to pay with Walgreens cash on any of these deals because I personally have this digital booster for spend $35, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. So if you're using that digital booster and such, just don't pay with Walgreens cash because you don't want to risk it. And then if you pay with too much, you're going to not earn back that $7 in Walgreens cash. So that's how I come to $14.44. We have $4 for the Colgate, $3 for the Dove, and $7 for that digital booster. So let me know in the comments if you guys have a digital booster. I think I got one last week. Yes, I did get one last week. I got one this week, so fingers crossed that we'll kind of keep getting them every week. Just makes the deal so much better. So our net cost, if we're paying $24.90 out of pocket, getting back $14.44, our net cost is $10.46, including taxes, because the taxes are already calculated in right here. Plus, you're going to be getting the 2% back from Rakuten. Now, the 2% typically calculates off of the subtotal right here, which is really nice. So 47, you're going to be earning back about 94 cents. So your total net cost is $9.41, including taxes for all of these products. So that is an amazing deal. Now let's take it up a step further if you want to be able to get an even bigger haul. If you are new to Rakuten, they have a new user bonus. If you use my link in the description box, when you spend $30 out of pocket, you're going to get $30 cash back plus the percentage back that the store offers. So Walgreens is at 2%. You'll get 2% plus the $30 back. So let me show you another deal that you can do to score that if you're new to Rakuten. So you're going to grab everything that I previously stated, but you're going to add a couple more things to your cart. You're going to do the Scott products. One Scott toilet paper, they're buy one, get one half off, and there's a $1 off one digital coupon for the toilet paper. Then grab a paper towels for $5. This one will be half price, and there's another $1 digital coupon. So now, because of where we're at with how much products we have in our cart, it now upgrades us to using code PICKUP20. We're saving another 20% instead of the 15%, so it gets even better in that regard. Next, there is this Clean & Clear is optional. It is a clearance product. Then too, it shows there is a $2 digital coupon available that is supposed to be stacking with it. There we go. So if you forget to clip a coupon, that's what's going to show up. So you're just going to click on it and then that'll activate it and it'll update all your numbers for you. You're also going to be grabbing 2 of the Dove hair care. You can do 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner, 2 of 1. It doesn't matter. They're $5 each, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So now, like I mentioned, we're at code PICKUP20 instead of code PICKUP15. So that's saving us some more money right there, about double. So now, after all of the coupons and everything comes off, you're going to pay $34.65, including taxes. So for the Rakuten new user bonus, it has to be at $30 before taxes. So if you subtract these two, you're at like $30 and change plus taxes to get to this number here, so you're good to go. Do not pay with Walgreens cash on this one either. But now, here's how it winds up being a moneymaker. So you're paying $34.65 out of pocket. You're getting back $14.62 in Walgreens cash. Then you're getting $30 cash back from Rakuten, plus you're still getting the 2% back. Makes your final cost completely free and an $11.30 moneymaker, which is an amazing deal, especially when you're able to stock up on such a variety of products. We have household products, we have personal care products, we have dish soap, we have paper products. Absolutely love this deal. So let me know in the comments if you score or if there's any other really good deals or finds online that you see. Let us know in the comments. Definitely check through the comments, see if there's anything else so you can put together a deal in a scenario just based off of things that you actually need. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.